Hello there, it's Jacqueline, and it's Feature Friday, and I thought I would start out by sharing one of my absolute favorite new products for 2018. Some of you who are watching my cooking this week probably noticed it when I was sharing my recipe for our Mardi Gras jambalaya. So without any further ado, I want to introduce you to my favorite product for the beginning of the year, which is the perfect pan. And that's not a lie. I'm going to tell you all about it. Okay, so first off, the pan comes with a handle. It is 11 inches across, 2.5 inches high. It will actually hold, capacity-wise, 15.5 cups. Wow, if that doesn't scream, let's have a party. Now, what I love also about this is the ceramic coating. This isn't like your pans that get a non-stick coating sprayed on it. This will not peel. Absolutely fabulous. Easy to wipe out. And when I was making my jambalaya, I literally was cooking on the stove. So here's the deal. I cooked it on the stove. I browned my chicken. I browned some sausage. And then I dumped in my product. The recipe for this actually then says add rice and some water and a can of diced tomatoes and put it in the oven. So yes, this baby will actually work in the oven. So it literally can go from stovetop to the oven. It's got a lid, yes, a tempered glass lid, fits perfectly on top. And you can stick it in the oven, your jambalaya. You might want to do stroganoff, chili. You might want to do a whole chicken. Literally, you could probably butterfly a chicken and stick it in here. Doesn't matter. It's a perfect pan. So this can go in the oven up to 450 degrees without any problem, lid on. And voila. So it is featured in the current catalog. I believe it's page 61. For those of you who are wondering, how much is this? Well, it depends on what kind of savvy shopper you are. You can purchase it online through me, jmcgrath.ca, for $120 plus shipping and tax. Or if you're the very wise consumer, you're going to do one of two choices. You're going to host your own cooking class. I can get it to you free or discounted in our host program. Or if you love the Epicure products so much and you've been thinking, I love Epicure so much, I should probably be selling this. Join my team. I'm looking for new team members. We've got lots of opportunity for you to start your own business, and I would love to have you be part of it. So really think about how your kitchen and cooking can change when you add to your kitchen the perfect pan.